Now, our biggest hurdles or challenges that we faced was lack of mobility for our call center and admin staff. And as we were investigating that, COVID struck. And that just exacerbated why we needed a solution that is flexible enough to provide to our direct sales staff in the field, but also to make work from home available to our admin and call center staff. And then a secondary challenge that we faced was finding a call center solution that is flexible, but could also assist us in the unification and reporting of that various lead sources. Lead sources coming in from SMSs to telephones to emails, etc.